Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is junction object. So it is a many to many relationship. It is a custom object with two master detail relationship fields on it. First master detail created on the junction object is called primary master. Second master detail field created on the junction object is called secondary master. Whoever is the owner of primary master, he will be the owner of corresponding child records, means junction records. If we delete any one of the master record, corresponding child record will also be deleted. If any master record has more than 200 child records, then it cannot be deleted. Junction object cannot be master to any other object. Steps to create junction object: setup, object and fields, object manager, choose object, fields and relationship. Click new. Step 1, select relationship type. Step 2, select related to object. Step 3, enter the label and name. Step 4, establish field level security for reference field. Step 5, click save button. So let's see an example for creating the junction object. Let's create junction object by the name job application having two master detail relationship with candidate and position. So job application is the object, and for this object first master detail relationship would be candidate and second master detail relationship would be position. Again, this job application object cannot be master for any other object. So to do the practical, just log in with salesforce.com by providing the username and password. Hit the login button. So we are going to create junction object. uh, just click on this object manager. At the right side drop down, click on custom object. So providing the details, label is job application, plural is job application, not checking with vowel sound as this is not mandatory. Object name is job application. Record name is job application number, and I had taken the data type auto number. Display format is job ID and starting from 1. Optional features I am allowing this all. Deployed yes, allow search yes, and add notes and attachments and launch new custom tab wizard. Click on save button. So create the tab for this job application. Choose tab style. Click next. Add to profiles going with default one. Next. Add to custom apps. I am going to make it available for only employee management system application. Check this and click on save button. So job application object is created. Click on fields and relationship. So by default these fields are provided by Salesforce. If all we need to create our own fields, just click on new. So here we have to create this job application as a junction object. So we have to choose master detail relationship. Create a special type of parent child relationship between this object, the child or detail, and another object, the parent or master, where the relationship field is required on all detail records. The ownership and sharing of a detail record are determined by the master record. When a user deletes the master record, all detailed records are deleted. You can create roll-up summary field on the master record to summarize the detailed records. The relationship field allows user to click on a lookup icon to select a value from a pop-up list. The master object is the source of the values in the list. Click next. So in related to, first we are going to choose candidate object what we had created earlier. Select the other object to which the object is related to. So first I am relating with the candidate. Click next. Providing a candidate field name and going with all default. Click next. FLS for reference field. Click next. I am going with default one. uh, Add reference field to page layout, job application layout. Yes, click next. So related list label is job applications. Click save and new as we have to create one more master detail relationship on this. So choose master detail relationship. Click next. This time we have to relate with position. So click on next. Provide the field name, position, and I am going with default one. So field level security I am going with default. Click next. Field to page layouts. Click next. And custom related list job application. Click save. So we had created two master detail relationship on job application. So as we can create only two master detail relationship on one particular object, so let's see can we create one more master detail relationship on this particular object. So now we are not able to create the third master detail relationship on this particular object, as Salesforce is saying that for one object there can be only two master detail relationship we can create. So again just come back. So first we had created on the candidate. So candidate is the primary master detail relationship and position is the secondary master detail relationship. To see this all the look and feel, just come to our employee management system application from the app launcher. So a job application is available over here, and this job application primary master detail relationship is candidate, this one, and secondary master detail relationship is position, as we had created this in the earlier session. So let's see what is candidate. So in the candidate there is no record at all. I think click on all. So no records are there. In the position, let's verify is there any record. So again for the position as well there is no record. So we can customize this view tab view as per our need. So I am making this available at the right side of job application, and again position is also I am making at the right side. So we had seen master detail relationship. So on the employee and parent, then we had seen lookup relationship on this student and course, and then we are now seeing junction object job application. So for this job application we had created two master detail relationship. First one is candidate and second one is position. So for the candidate I am going to create a new record. So I had provided the details for a new candidate, name Alan, email is like alan@gmail.com, and random phone number. This is also a random one, and address is USA. Click on save button. So next we are going to create for position record. Click on new. So we had given the details for new position, title as Salesforce developer, salary is 50K, and education must be postgraduate. So click on save button. Now if all we need to create a junction object for this too, so just click on new button. So for candidate we need to choose the candidate what we had created right now. This is the candidate Alan, and for this candidate which position, so Salesforce developer. Click on save button. So job application number is job ID 001, candidate is Alan, and position is Salesforce developer. If all we need to see the candidate detail, just click on this. So Alan is coming over here. Again go to job application, record detail, click on position, it will redirect to position. So in case if someone is deleting this particular candidate, so what is going to happen with the position and job application junction object? So let's see. Just I am going to delete this particular LN candidate by clicking on this drop down. Click on delete. Sure. So I had created the candidate. So what is happening with the position? Yeah, position is available over here, and see what happened with job application. So job application is deleted. If any one of the record is getting deleted, then job application record is also going to be deleted. So what happened in this case, if we delete any of the master record, corresponding child record will also be deleted. So master in this case, master would be candidate and job application is treated as child. So this job application record is also got deleted. So this is all about junction object. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.